everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential component for anyone relying on Zebra's robust ZT610 thermal label printers, the P1083320-122 touchscreen control panel. This isn't just any replacement part. It's a brand new, genuine Zebra panel designed to bring your ZT610 or ZT610R printer back to its optimal functionality, whether you're running 203 DPI, 300 DPI, or even 600 DPI operations. The importance of a fully functional control panel cannot be overstated for a high-performance industrial printer like the ZT610. This specific part, identified by its number P1083320-122, ensures seamless interaction with your device, allowing for precise control and efficient operation. When a printer's interface starts to falter, it can significantly impact productivity, leading to frustrating delays and potential errors. Replacing it with a genuine part like this one guarantees that the new panel will integrate perfectly, maintaining the printer's original performance standards and responsiveness. One of the standout features accompanying this product is the peace of mind it offers. Not only is it a genuine Zebra component, ensuring top-tier quality and compatibility, but it also comes with a 3-month warranty guarantee. This warranty provides a crucial layer of protection, assuring users of the product's reliability and the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. It's a testament to the quality that you're investing in a part that's built to last and perform under demanding conditions. What's included in the package is straightforward. One P1083320-122 touchscreen control panel for your ZT610. This means you're getting the core component needed for the replacement, ready to be installed to restore your printer's interactive capabilities. Beyond the product itself, the complete customer service offered by Singed Barcode Printer Parts is a significant advantage. They emphasize a dedicated after-sale service for their printer accessories, ensuring that every purchase is backed by a strong commitment to quality. This focus on customer satisfaction means that if any questions or concerns arise, their customer service team is readily available to assist. This level of support is invaluable, especially when dealing with specialized industrial equipment, providing users with confidence that they are not just buying a part, but also gaining access to expert assistance. This commitment truly prioritizes both product quality and customer satisfaction, making it a reliable choice for maintaining your critical printing infrastructure. Investing in this genuine replacement panel is a smart move for any business looking to extend the life and efficiency of their Zebra ZT610 printer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.